Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome to my channel. Thank you for choosing our video on high-speed rail in Finland. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Although Finland has no dedicated high-speed rail lines, sections of its rail network are capable of running speeds of up to 220 km. The Finnish National Railway Company VR operates tilting Alstom Pendolino trains. The trains reach their maximum speed of 220 km in regular operation on a 75.7 km route between Kerava and Lahti. This portion of track was opened in 2006. The trains can run at 200 km on a longer route between Helsinki and Seinäjoki and peak at that speed between Helsinki and Turku. The main railway line between Helsinki and Oulu has been upgraded between Seinäjoki and Oulu to allow for trains to run at speeds between 160 km and 200 km. Other parts of the Finnish railway network are limited to lower speed. A new service called Allegro started between Helsinki and Saint Petersburg, Russia, in December 2010 with a journey time of hours. It's utilized for trains, with a top speed of 220 km which were a Pendolino model, supporting both Finnish and Russian standards. However, the service was discontinued in 2022, following the Russian invasion of Ukraine. Between 2007 and 2010, the Russian line from the Finnish border to St. Petersburg was electrified and improved to allow higher running speeds. The Finnish line Helsinki-Saint Petersburg Railway was also upgraded when needed, mostly to 200 km. Now, let's dig deeper into current proposals and unveil the hidden treasures it holds within. There are proposals for high-speed rail links between Helsinki and other major Finnish cities, with the Green League proposing a €10 billion investment into the country's rail infrastructure in 2018. After the 2019 Finnish parliamentary election, new Prime Minister of Finland Antti Rinne's government confirmed its commitment to advancing the three planned Finnish high-speed rail lines, the ELSA Rata, a Helsinki-Tampere line, and a link from Helsinki to eastern Finland. Sanna Marin, Minister of Transport and Communications, stated in July 2019 that we must first plan and secure the funding before we can start building. The three high-speed links, the westbound, northbound and eastbound links, will cost a total of €10 billion to build. Planning the projects alone will cost roughly €350 million. This isn't a small amount given that roughly €1 billion is allocated for transport projects every electoral term. In September 2019, the Ministry of Economic Affairs and Employment gave authorization to the Ministry of Transport and Communications to establish the Turku 1R train project company to oversee the Helsinki-Turku high-speed rail line, and the Suomi-Rata project company, which will manage development of the new Helsinki-Tampere line. Along with this announcement, Marin confirmed the lines would most likely not be operational until the years at earliest. In the next portion, we'll be immersing ourselves in the realm of Helsinki-Turku and examining its broader implications. The only rail link between Helsinki and Turku is the Ranta railway line, with journey times of around 2 hours. The first examination of a more direct rail link between the two cities, Espoo and Salo, took place in 1979. The current plans for the new railway line involve the construction of 95 kilometers of track between Espoo and Salo with maximum running speeds of 300 km per hour, allowing for a journey time of an hour between Helsinki and Turku compared to the current 2 hours, expecting to add a further 1.6 million annual passenger rail trips a year. In 2017, the Finnish government provided €10 million in funding towards the planning and construction of the line, with half of this being eligible for European Union TEN-T funding. As of October 2018, the line is scheduled for completion by 2031. As we venture forward, let's examine Helsinki-Tampere in detail and gain a deeper appreciation for its significance. The Lentrata has been included in the Finnish Transport Agency's plans since 2010. Following the opening of the Ring Rail line in 2015, Helsinki Airport gained its first railway connection through the Helsinki commuter rail network. However, A need has also been identified for a rail link to long-distance traffic, with support from Finavia, the mayors of Helsinki and Tampere and the chief executive of the state-owned national rail company VR Group. In 2019, Helsinki Times reported that a new rail connection is under consideration with an expected travel time of 1 hour from Helsinki to Tampere via the airport, using the new airport line, and either an upgraded Helsinki-Tampere railway or brand new track would cost a total of €5.50 billion. This new line is expected to generate a further 6.5 million rail trips annually. In the upcoming section, we'll be shining a light on Helsinki Tunnel as possible future project connected to the Rail Baltica project. An undersea rail tunnel between Helsinki and Tallinn is proposed, linking the Finnish rail network to continental Europe. An estimated 12.5 million annual passengers would use the tunnel. Now, let's shift our focus to Helsinki and Turku and embark on an intellectual exploration of its various dimensions. In 2018, a study was commissioned into the construction of a new 106 km rail line from Helsinki to Turku via Kerava and Lahti, reducing the Helsinki to Turku travel time from 1 hour 18 minutes to 53 minutes. This new line would use the proposed Lentorata route between Helsinki and Kerava. With a 220 km line speed, the journey time for Helsinki St. Petersburg services could be reduced by 9 minutes. A 15-minute reduction could be achieved if the infrastructure was built for 300 km operation, and is forecasted to generate a further 2.8 million rail trips annually. At a cost of €1.70 billion, it was not determined to be economically feasible by former Finnish Transport Minister Anne Berner, in spite of Paavolu's status as the largest Finnish municipality without a scheduled rail service. Along with the significantly reduced travel times the line would bring to eastern Finnish cities including Lappeenranta, Kuopio, Joensuu and Mikkeli, which currently use the Kerava railway line. In 2019, the government of Antti Rinne confirmed commitment to advancing proposals for this line. In the following section, we'll be immersing ourselves in the captivating world of Helsinki Jyväskylä. In 2011, the region of central Finland produced a study into a high-speed rail connection between Helsinki and Jyväskylä, narrowed down to 3 options, via Tampere, Helsinki or Lahti, with a top speed of 200 km, 124 km, 155 miles per hour and estimated costs of million. No further work has progressed as of 2019. Let's now shift our focus to Lahti and explore the ways in which it shapes our perspective. A further section of high-speed track under discussion is a 126 km line from Lahti to Mikkeli with one intermediate station at Heinola. This would shorten the distance by rail between the two cities by 29, with a 40 to 46 minute travel time reduction if built to a maximum speed of 220 km. Or a 50-56 minute reduction if 300. The projected cost of this project in 2019 was €1.50 billion. This route offers faster journey times to Mikkeli, Kuopio and Kajaani, but not Joensuu and Lappeenranta. I hope you learned something new today. Let me know what you found most interesting in the comments below.